Creating some distance from the traditional digital currencies, Uniswap works on a decentralized peer-to-peer trade computerized market creator, AMM, to empower the exchanging of crypto resources. Likewise, it works on conventional trades. Before we dive into the Uniswap cost expectation, let us view a portion of the novel highlights of Uniswap. Being connected to Ethereum empowered as two shrewd agreements to procure interest, Uniswap has a remarkable element and give liquidity straightforwardly from liquidity suppliers, LPs. This element of Uniswap goes about as a significant impetus in totally eliminating the obstacle concerning token mining. In a way, it advances straightforwardness dispensing with the brokers or consent totally. Thus, rather than the singular cryptographic forms of money, the advanced resources are connected as matches. Subsequently the liquidity gets administered for these parts likewise. As a decentralized convention for mechanized liquidity arrangement on ETH, Uniswap overwhelmed the whole crypto space when during pandemic Uniswap chose to send off this token UNI on September 17, 2020. This was wizardry for that large number of holding Uniswap as they turned tycoons on September 17, 2020. While overwhelming the crypto world, an influx of Stage's administration token began administering the crypto conversations once more. Look at the UNI coin subtleties before we leap to itemized Uniswap cost forecast. While the underlying Stage for Uniswap didn't see a lot of worthiness with the majority, it required investment for UNI projections to fabricate the trust and work towards it. Without a doubt, it arose as a pioneer and the most recent 24 hours cost stands tall at the cost of $40.30 today. Here are numerous crypto specialists who think that UNI, USD, has colossal potential and empower financial backers giving shining proposals to trade as beneath for this computerized resource by giving Uniswap expectation, at long last beam of trust. There is potential for uniting patterns that point towards the way that there is potential for Uniswap and show it might go on a higher feeling. As per Uniswap estimate, the cost might reach $0.793 toward the finish of December 2022 temporarily. Uniswap has achieved one of the best 10 situations in digital currencies this year, and as per Uniswap cost forecasts, the exhibition may be totally kept up within the approaching 5 years as well. This will lead the cost to move higher. Being founded on an intelligent calculation and cost examination, Uniswap, UNI, has both transient meeting as well as long-haul possible benefits. The future cost might reach $67.4082 toward the finish of 2025 over the long haul. Contrasted with what Uniswap, UNI, was in January 2022, it sounds profoundly bullish as it has shown a solid consistency. By December 2022 end, it ought to effortlessly swing around $19.09. Uniswap value expectation, 2022 to 2026. The main help factor about pandemic is that it has not done any kind of segregation with regards to monetary forms. The vast majority of the government-issued types of money, as well concerning digital currencies, have met with a similar lamentable destiny. Numerous financial backers are as yet capturing the conflict of the excess titans thinking about whether it is truly worth putting resources into Uniswap, UNI. Despite the fact that the coin has shown an extraordinary supporting execution somewhat recently, many market guides construe that bull run could be far off, while the others banter altogether in an unexpected way. The cost outline is referenced here alongside the Uniswap forecast. The ongoing cost of UNI is above $10. With the computerized resource UNI token having a market capitalization of $6,707,508,563, it is without a doubt a confidence in crypto space winning in the far-off skyline in light of Uniswap cost gauge. The ongoing ATH and new ATH will have immense distinction. Uniswap value forecast 2022. Having begun late in last year, the Uniswap value activity will ride a bullish pattern all through 2022 will keep riding news waves proceeding into 2023. Some in the middle of between the years 2022 and 2023, The value developments of UNI/USD should have been visible, taking it to a higher point fixed at $15 followed by a prompt sharp revision toward the finish of 2022. Taking into account the main year, as indicated by UNI cost forecast 2022, the base cost would reach to $12 and most extreme cost to $15. The typical cost would be $13.50. Uniswap value forecast 2023. Fluctuating somewhere in the range of $14 and $17. As per Uniswap cost expectation 2023, the cost of Uniswap might show some opposition, however it can't be said with conviction about the positive difference in cost of UNI regarding whether these 3 years would check the brilliant time for this digital currency UNI. There could be a few tremendous changes in crypto industry situations, market positions, financial overwhelms, strategy rebuilding, or some other political justification for the coin to have its presentation on trade. UNI, be that as it may, is known to be strong and steady. Both worldwide financial matters may too significantly affect Uniswap cost development. As per Uniswap expectation, the base cost would reach to $14 and most extreme cost to $17.20. The typical cost would be $15. Uniswap value forecast 2024. A few specialists likewise foresee, as per UNI cost forecast, that value rectification may likewise be successful around this period, taking the Uniswap UNI cost around $18 in 2024, riding as a market creator. In the primary, a portion of the cost would reach up to $18.50. Locale explicit changes also influence the cost of Uniswap. Subsequently, coming towards its cutting-edge objectives, one thing that can be ensured about the UNI token is that the stars are brilliant for this resource. Having reformed the whole worldwide page of exchanges, UNI token sets out on the journey of leaving an exceptional impression on this environment. Uniswap value expectation 2025. According to Uniswap value expectation and our own exploration, a few hypotheses around the cost of Uniswap in 2023 likewise features that UNI would ride the buyer market by 2025. UNI could try and arrive at another high of $22. Uniswap appears now to competition to set a record, insisting its position showing security. As per Uniswap forecast, in the main half, it would go up to $16 and the greatest cost would reach to $23 in the year 2025. Uniswap value forecast 2026. As indicated by UNI cost expectation, as this year has gone before by the mining occasion, there ought to be a bullish development driving the cost of Uniswap to go on towards a base value level of $25.